Irribiz has worked closely with CFM, the surveyors, their consultants and our designers to deliver a turnkey, intense Mandarin production system. It's a true non-drain system, so the system stays full of water when it's not irrigating, and that allows for the fast, frequent irrigations multiple times a day that the trees need. The irrigation water is constantly fertigated, 5 different products, all proportionally injected as required. These fertigation mixes change seasonally and are facilitated by the large storage and mixing systems. The irrigation system incorporates a very special custom-made drip line with a skip drip and also high C&L capacity to hold back water with the increased elevations within the blocks. The drip line used on the project was specifically manufactured for us. It has an unequal dripper spacing and includes the high C&L dripper to ensure accurate and consistent fertiliser and irrigation placement. We've worked closely with CFM and their consultants to provide innovative solutions to the challenges of ultra-premium Mandarin production under netting. At Irribiz, we look to provide complete solutions, pulling together turnkey projects using off-the-shelf and reliable products.